It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it. Well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Breviscus. It's great to have you back in the boat shop. Now, right here behind me is the Taco Marine Project boat that is going off to charity, the I'm Logan It Foundation. It's really going to be benefiting juvenile diabetes. Well, today on the program, the owners of this vessel are selecting the brand new outboard engines for a repower. And they're located down in Miami. That's where one of Taco's bases are, and they have a local dealer down in Miami to buy the engines and all the rigging from. And today, not only are we going to be in Alabama learning about the Yamaha 250s that they're thinking about selecting, but we're also going to be at Bob Hughes Boats, a company that's been around forever, all right? And they're going to be rigging the boat and doing a magnificent job. But first, what we need to do is give kudos to all the fabulous companies who help make ShipShape TV possible.